ako daw yung bigla lumabas. Hey, what is happening, boys and girls? This is your captain speaking, and welcome to the G3 podcast. And as you can see in our posters, we will be talking about Summer Game Fest. And 2020 was the birth of the newest gaming event in town, Summer Game Fest, an online event where the entire gaming community comes together to bring in announcements, news, upcoming events, and more surprises in the gaming scene has to offer. So, especially now, the next generation of consoles have new hardware and now dominating the scene. Of course, we'd like to give a special shout out to the folks of the Game Awards and Summer Game Fest, syempre kay Jeff Keighley for making G3 the official co-streamers for the event. Mamaya alas 5 ng madaling araw. And you know what it is? We want your voices to be heard because no matter what the weather is right now, it's summertime here at the G3 podcast. But before anything else, let's go play the Summer Game Fest video.
Can find things I can see.
Yes.
Things that bleed when struck with a spear. I'm lost here.
Just this once, I'll give you something special. I'll grant unto you the sweetest of dreams.
I don't really like fighting very much.
You need only believe in your own destiny.
Patience is the key, Master.
Scenes like these are happening all over the galaxy right now.
You too want to be an immortal?
From this moment forth, thou art arisen.
I can feel the hatred, but I cannot feel the source.
What's your plan, knowing you have only 66 days to live?
Ready yourself.
If I want to survive, I have to play their game.
Your hopes were always doomed to fail.
You have to fight until the end.
Everyone wears a mask. You too!
I felt as if I was awakening from a years-long coma.
Night Springs, a special place, a shifting space.
Welcome to the G3 podcast. We're going to be talking about everything geeky and nerdy in between comic books, toys, video games, movies, you name it, we got it.
You're tuned in to the loudest, craziest, and most excited bunch of geeks and nerds on this side of the planet. You're about to dive into everything nerdy and geeky in between. This is the G3 Podcast. Gamers, geeks, and good times.
As you can see, we are kokonti lang tayo ngayon, ano. What is up, everyone? This is your captain speaking, and with me tonight on Friday, rainy Friday, is
very rainy.
It is none other than General Tuna and of course Trickster.
So, Three Musketeers.
At it again.
All for one, one for all. Oh, okay.
Yeah, I know. So, sige, magkumustahan muna tayo, no? General, how is your week?
Well, work. may niluto kami with Lupon on PGDX. So,
Hmm.
abang-abang. Ano pa? Well, played a lot of games with Lala. And medyo naumay lang ako kasi when I was shaving my beard, nasagi itong itong lip ko. So that was yesterday. It's pretty painful, when I drink from an aqua flask or a bottle. So, yeah. That has been my week and the week of torment with the puppies. So, alright, yun lang.
Okay lang yun kasi final week mo naman eh.
Hopefully, let's hope it's a final week.
It's dahil kasi kaya ko sinabi yun, it's going to be passing the baton to our friend right here, Trickster. Musta naman ang week mo ngayon?
No, it's fine. Nothing much. Given the topic today, it involves that naman. Since, aside from the Summer Game Fest, there were other shows that popped up that was also part of the Summer Game Fest. And yeah, they were fun. I've been also playing some games. Some cats gave birth, and I am also taking care of them as well.
Good luck. You'll be taking care of these.
Laki na niya.
7 days. Yes.
How big is he? Tingin niya. Let me see how big. Wow,
Freaking 2
laki na.
kilograms, bro.
Dang.
And so multiply that by 7, it's gonna be a riot inside Trickster's house next weekend.
Well, yeah, they're gentle pups. They're gentle.
They're gentle. They're gentle, pero let's have Trickster be the judge of that. Ako naman, I had an accident that led to my tooth problem.
Chip? Yeah, your tooth got chipped. What happened, Mike? Did someone knock you out?
No, I wish they did. Pero actually, hindi. I just had a very clumsy accident. So, yun na yun. Anyway.
Hindi naman nahulog ulit sa hagdan.
No. Pag nahulog ako sa hagdanan, that'll be the end of me.
Habang nakatuwalya lang.
Did a Filipino wrestler finally gave you a suplex?
No, actually, ayun nga eh. Actually, no. And speaking of that, shout out nga pala dun sa mga tropa natin sa by the way, nung last weekend, it was DexCon. Or actually, last weekend na nga. Kasi, nung 26 pa nangyari yung DexCon, pero it's still a riot. Thank you nga pala sa mga tropa natin dyan sa Pinoy Wrestling Community for supporting my page and G3. Thank you po. Anyway, so ibalik lang natin to kayo ba nung kasi lately na rin naman binigay sa atin yung notification by the way ng Summer Game Fest.
Yeah,
so
I think this week. I think it's within this week lang.
Yes,
so very
that's
short
right.
notice. People aren't ready.
Everyone's scrambling.
Nagpatong-patong din kasi yung events eh. Like there are a lot of events. But this to full transparency, this episode is supposed to be a Galactic Shark episode. We're supposed to have Galactic Shark in the episode right now, but due to unforeseen circumstances, he double booked. So he has priorities somewhere else. So we'll have him probably in a different episode. But yeah, I mean, Summer Game Fest, di kami nauubusan ng topic. Kung hindi Summer Game Fest bukas, may pag-uusapan pa din kami, pero di lang namin alam ano.
Well, yun yung that's the thing. So we are gonna work it out. Like everything else, we've been working it out. We always find our way out and in. Dahil dyan, mabanggit ko lang ba, other than Helldivers 2, for the past 1 year, tanong ko muna tong si General, ano ba ang games na siguro would eat up your time?
Past 1 year, Mike, I don't even remember what I ate last night and you're asking me for past 1 year? Oh, God. Okay. So,
past few months.
In the past few months, in general, I think Star Rail would be like because I just came back from playing Star Rail. Ano ba? I think this year lang din, because like I stopped because there weren't characters that I really liked na lumabas, so I skipped a few updates, and then yun nga, I started playing ulit this year. So I think Star Rail. And lately we've been playing Fallout 74, so I think that's gonna eat up my time in the
Yeah, I
next
saw you
foreseeable
stream that
future.
with Lala.
Yeah.
How fares? I'm surprised kamusta
It's
naman?
fun. It's fun. I mean, I was expecting it to be like a bit laggy or janky, but it's not. It's like playing Fallout 4, but with a lot more players na may co-op, but with no definite story. But they it has like this side campaigns, like when you play the
I
Brotherhood
was
of Steel kind of thing, or the who's that guy, the other guy, the settlement needs your help, some guy, yeah.
Yeah,
Parang ganun.
naswerte kayo. That was added way later down the
Way
line.
later, yeah.
Oo.
Because we tried playing it like when it came out on Xbox Game Pass, and then Lala was like, "This is too boring." It was like, "Okay, fine." And then now she started playing, I think, New Vegas. She started playing the first Fallout. It was like we
Right.
watched the Fallout series, and then okay, fine, let's play Fallout 76. So there we go.
Ooh. Okay. Then, sige, Trickster. Si Trickster sa ating lahat ang may malaking set ng games.
Yeah, it has
Other
a big
than
library of games.
sa sobrang dami, hindi niya hindi he will grow old, hindi pa niya natatapos yung library niya. So, what is the game na you've been focused on for the past year? Nabago ha? Bago siya.
Nabago. So I can't say Skyrim. So actually I've been playing a bit of Multiverses, some Rotwood, some in like indie games that I found interesting. I've also been playing Going Under, though that's not really in the new department. I've also been playing a bit of X Defiant just because
Oh, X Defiant. Yeah.
it's a bit weird, but I'm enjoying it myself naman talaga. And of course the other free things that I got from Steam, like Gladius and Endless Legend. Anything I can get my hands on. Because I've been playing with someone like just whenever he decides to hit me up, whether it be Rotwood, Gladius, Streets of Rage 4.
Okay. Sabagay. Kasi yan yung mga that's the thing about the games. Akala no mga past few weeks na we've been having discussions, wala tayong masyado naririnig sa gaming scene. Kaya we were obviously moving to another topic. After all, this is G3. Oh, yeah.
I have, pero a lot of them not so positive.
Well, and I appreciate the honesty kasi the thing with games ngayon is obviously a hit or miss. Pero pansin mo, hindi siya kasing tunog ng mga previous years. Tapos the Helldivers, when it was announced during the Game Awards, it was a dark horse actually na and hindi natin in-expect na malaki ang impact ng Helldivers doon sa game. So,
which also got negative press and reactions from
of course
down the line. I'm not talking about the Sony thing. That's a different issue altogether. I'm thinking I'm meaning community thing.
And hindi kita hindi na siya bago when it comes to like yung gaming announcements, the actual game, and then the aftermath of those games. This is why it is for me it is important we talk about the Summer Game Fest. Dahil other than the Summer Game Fest is our first Summer Game Fest this year since it started. I've been hearing a lot of articles already about what people are, I guess, expecting and what people are hoping.
Oh yeah, one of them I know. What people are hoping
Some
for.
expectations might be broken. Some people might be left disappointed.
And
It happens.
It does. So kaya yun yung inaano natin ngayon. Dahil dyan, again, we'd like to thank the team for Summer Game Fest, Jeff Keighley, and of course yung mga team na nagbubuo niyan kasi we are kasi akala natin Game Awards lang eh. So we never thought we'd get Summer Game Fest then as the official co-streamers. Sige, so real quick, quick question for the both of you. What do you think makes a gaming event great? Let's start with Trickster.
A gaming event, like you have to be specific. Like a gaming event, like
Yung mga gaming event relating to like announcements such as these.
What makes them good? It doesn't have like aside from bringing something new to the table. I guess that's a good question. Because yesterday I was watching the Guerrilla Collective. That's also part of the Summer Game Testing. And I was actually interested in some of the games they were showing off. I'm like, would you believe they're coming out with a fucking Toxic Crusaders game?
Huh?
Yeah, you didn't know that? You didn't know that, did you? They just announced the Toxic Crusaders game. Beat them up at that in the style of Ninja Turtles. Yeah, based on the cartoon. So yeah, I guess something unexpected, something good and unexpected in a gaming event would be fun. I want more of those. Something I never thought I would see, and hopefully gets a positive reaction. Like say Metal Slug Tactics, right? That one I never expected Metal Slug to get a turn-based strategy game, and they recently announced it's going to come out this year. Finally, it has an release date, and they also showed they have demos for certain games that they announced. So after the announcement, demo, if it's up to your alley, you can try it out. Win-win for both the consumer and the developer.
So akala ko kasi you're expecting like some actor appearing like Nicolas Cage in one of the summer Sige.
That's a bonus because those guys cost money.
Yeah, and I did not expect Nicolas Cage to appear in a gaming event such as similar din kay Ryan Reynolds when he mentioned na he will be announcing that but more on that later. General, as the guy who plays a lot of games and is in mabilis, si General sa amin ang pinakabata, pero he knows more games than I do. So for you ba, what makes the game great for you? Yung gaming event na ang coverage announcements, world premieres and whatnot.
It has to be the bangers, like sometimes you'll have game events like this, like mga ganito na mga announcements, like the week lineup, right? It's not on the event itself, I guess. I think it's the developers and the games being announced during the event itself, right? Because the games have to be remembered. Like imagine now Summer Game Fest, right? Nintendo announces like, oh, the Nintendo Switch 2. People will go ape shit on that, right? Because yeah, like that's a big deal. Like a new console getting announced on your event, diba? Okay, like so with that, diba na parang let's say, The Witcher 4 or a new Batman Arkham series. Like people are expecting, people want this, and then Genshin Impact is finally coming into Nintendo Switch. Yay! After 4 years. Like
after 4
diba? Like because there's a bingo going on, or like a timeline going on na parang days na wala pang Nintendo Switch version yung Genshin Impact, and it's at thousands already. Because people have been waiting. Diba? So, ganun. And then, yeah, like you mentioned, like the people, like the celebrities, right? Like, remember Bill Clinton guy, right? Remember the Bill Clinton guy? Now that, mas naalala pa yung Bill Clinton guy compared dun sa Game Awards or like Elden Ring winning Game Awards. It's like because of the Bill Clinton guy. So yung
Right,
mga ganun,
right.
like the bangers, the announcements, the unexpected twists during events, di ba? So
I
malay mo,
have
di ba? Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I have to agree with that. Kasi like a few days ago, they just showed the Sony PlayStation, their PlayStation showcase, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
And
yeah.
a lot of people were underwhelmed, especially since they just announced another hero shooter
Yeah,
coming,
hero shooter. I forgot the name, but the trailer is good. Like the trailer looks
Concord.
dope.
Yeah,
You know, like what? Yeah. Well, what can you say, right? So yun yung
Yeah.
sa akin, Mike. Like it's not on the event, right? It's not the event's fault that it's lackluster. It's the lineup of games announced during the event. Ganun siya.
Well, fair enough. Kasi ako naman, what I'm expecting at at the summer game fest, ano to iba kasi to from the Game Awards. There are series of announcements that's gonna happen, and hindi lang to in one part, unlike the Game Awards, diba? Siguro my expectations for the Summer Game Fest is uh, sana maka-produce sila ng trailers that will at least bring back the that will bring back the excitement of every gamer. Kasi ano yan we need that.
Yeah.
Lalo
remember
na
when
ngayon
they
na
announced Peggle 2? It's just one dev from EA just walking to the stage. Peggle 2. No one fucking clapped
Oh, no one cared.
Ode to Joy just fucking blasted. Peggle 2. No one reacted.
yun na nga. O, diba?
Kaya lang, Notch, pumasok ka na kaya sa podcast. Ayun, na wow, nice, cool, galing, exciting. Pumasok ka na kaya, no?
Well, kasi nga si paring Notch was out, kaya he is on assignment, so to speak.
Yeah.
Kaya
Yeah,
siya
I mean, props to Notch. I think he was at VintroCon today, so
hindi
enjoy the
lang.
rest. Ayan, so magpahinga ka na,
Oo,
Notch, kasi may
oo.
trabaho ka pa mamayang alas 10.
Nako. Yun na nga kaya nga thank you din Notch for doing that for us. And at nabanggit dahil yun na nga, naging busy nga si Notch. So
But ito lang. You know what a fun twist at an event would be? Like, di ba, 2K, WWE, di ba, na 2K. Tapos, they put up a wrestler on stage and then choke slams the dev into a desk. Like the dev, like Ronnie 2K, he chokes,
through a
like
table,
let's say,
through a
imagine The
table.
Rock, di ba? The Rock throws Ronnie 2K on a table, boom. Di ba? Like, that's gonna be like an amazing twist at an event. So,
and you're right kasi ano yan hindi ko rin ine-expect na may mga fun surprises and whatnot kaya I feel itong Summer Game Fest has big shoes to fill because for just a quick history lang for everyone, the Summer Game Fest is just a new thing. It started 2020 nung panahon na nag-decide na si E3. E3 kasi dati. So, E3 decides to not do the show because of the pandemic. So, ang ano dito, siguro naisip niya, ang naisip nga dito, how can they do this online? How they can do this nga naman ng walang tao, diba? Especially for 2020, 2021, and 2022, if I'm not mistaken, na ginawa nilang online lahat. So, ang question ngayon dito is how somebody has to step up, and Jeff Keighley, the guy behind this, is decided to do so. So he started off with 2020. Ang haba nung 2020 na yun, talagang nirun talaga nila for like 4 months. Tapos ang dami nilang
Was it 4 months?
Yun yung parang he was working to run it between May 1 up to August 24, doing a lot of doing announcements and game demos within that period. Yun yung dyan Pero syempre, we will talk about those in detail kasi papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. At ang dami na rin namang comment section dito. We might as well throw in our first segment of the night, which is
Favorite segment.
Favorite segment ng lahat? Favorite mo rin eh.
Ewan ko, si Notch lang naman na hindi favorite yung segment mo eh.
And whatever it is, it Captain Mike's Legendary PP. Dahil doon, ilalagay natin dito ang segment na to, tapos we'll throw in again the comments. Si Stanley panigurado nagtatype tayo ng na-type niya ng mabilis.
Ng shoutout niya.
So, syempre, sabi nga ni Stanley, hello sa mga viewers. It's Resident Moderator Yoshida. Don't forget to like and follow the pages for geek news and nerdy stuff, and follow us on social media. All now under one URL, which is, one handle rather, is at G3PodPH. Siyempre, si Tita Le nandito. Hello, G3. Sabi ni Stanley, hello. Sabihin ako nagsabi, hello, Stanley. Baka
madali ka na naman sa tita.
Madali na naman ako. Hindi ako nagsabi noon. Inulit ko rin sinabi ni Stanley. Si JDM nandito rin. Good morning, G3 in chat. Yoshida is waiting for Witcher 4 kasi he's been streaming dun sa Yoshida page yung Witcher 3. Siyempre si Not, sabi niya, wow, nice, cool, galing, exciting.
Sigurado pa tayo si Not yan? O hindi bot?
Busy yan kasi binigyan ko ng game yan eh. Sa kanya yung Shin Megami Tensei 5 Rising eh.
Yan.
Ay, Vengeance eh.
Mamaya, malalaman niya rin kung bakit Kaya sabi nga niya, what else? Eto na. So, babilisan na natin to. Sabi dito, Kane throw, Ronnie in the table. Tapos, syempre, ang finale ng pabati portion na to, it's shoutout kay Chimiana-chan. Sino daw?
Bago yan ah.
Sino yan? Bago na naman. Hoy, Stanley. Yung isa, Durano Twins. May bilangin ko Shaira Duran. Duran Twins. Si Seika Usui. Ito ngayon, si Chimiana-chan. Si Fire Queen. Sino pa? Bilang isa-isahin natin. Stanley. Shout out sa inyo lahat dyan, yung mga babae ni Stanley.
Yan. Yun na lang gamitin natin. Ang mga
babae ni Stanley.
Hindi. Ang pangit pagkakasabi mo, ang mga babaeng fina-follow ni Stanley. Yan. Baka naman isipin yan. Okay, isipin natin. Pinag-ano natin si Stanley. Okay. Tamo, nag-react pa. Pumabol pa. Hoy.
Hoy. Wala na. Tama na. Wala na.
Sige. Thank you sa mga tumambay dito sa stream natin. As we continue our discussion on the Summer Game Fest, quickly ko lang ikukwento tong Summer Game Fest over the past 3 years from 2020 to 2023. Noong 2020, si Jeff Keighley decided to come up with its own show for the Summer Game Fest. Siyempre, minute ko yun to avoid copyright strike. Sorry, Facebook. Yan yung niya nun. Yung unang Summer Game Fest niya, he was throwing in announcements, game trailers, while everyone is cooped up at home.
No, that's not Tomb Raider.
No. That's not Tomb Raider.
Okay.
So, yun yung mga... as in, simple pa lang yung nun eh.
I think that third the Forspoken.
It is Forspoken.
Sobrang fresh pa ni Jeff dito na time na to Like, sobrang fresh niya patignan.
And everyone is still trying to adapt to the concept of using Zoom.
Oh, yeah.
Diba? 2020 kailan to nangyari? Somewhere around May or June, they were like adjusting to the settings ng online shows. Syempre magpe-present pa sila ng mga announcements. So, obviously, that's one of them. And obviously, they're having that discussion. Lahat ng tao nasa bahay noon. But, just to give everyone an idea what happened on 2020 Summer Game Fest, there were 900 games na may demos na available for Steam for players to try. Days after, Xbox games follow through. The announcements include, and this is not a complete list, it's Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2 remake, Star Wars Squadrons, Crash Bandicoot 4, It's About Time, and the announcement of Cuphead for PS4. So,
For
papansin,
PS4. I'm
Yeah, for
surprised they announced for PS4 that long. I guess they haven't made PS4 yet. Kasi it came out on Xbox, I think, along with PC.
tapos ito yung
Fortnite.
as Fortnite, they were doing the online concert.
Yeah.
Bless you.
We also watched Dragon Ball on Fortnite.
Baka naalala ko na naman yung Dragon Ball of Fortnite na yan. The biggest heartbreak someone had. Siyempre, dahil nagkaroon na ng improvements from the 2020 and now that everyone was able to adjust to the scene of being online, siyempre Summer Game Fest 2021 happened. So may mga guests na ngayon, alam mo na people are already preparing. This one, if you remember, this is the
Free Guy. Yeah,
Free Guy.
Free Guy. Yeah.
Free Guy made it.
What normal
Ano na?
people think MMOs are.
Oh, yun na nga. What normal. So, biri mo, lumabas yan ng 2021. Tapos, people are obviously now excited for games na being announced. Mostly, ang mga games ng mga time na yun is, ayan, that's Jeff, to those who don't know. And he's doing world premieres of every game na he can find. Kaya ako hindi ko ina-expect na magkakaroon sila ng announcements, ng world premieres all in one go, all of them in that particular show. And this is what?
Gungrave. Miss Gungrave Gore.
Ayan.
Oh, now it is.
I haven't played most of it kaya hindi ko rin na kagad yung titles eh. So there were some announcements and let me just go tell everyone na in 2021 naman, it happened siguro mga like 12 days. Pansinin niyo to 12 days to nangyari. Nung last year, 4 months, ito, 12 days. The announcements that happened is the Among Us roadmap, Back 4 Blood, Call of Duty Warzone, Fall Guys, Kina, Bridge of Spirits, Lost Judgment, 2 Point Campus, Far Cry 6, the exclusive interview with Giancarlo Esposito and Sifu, and of course, Elden Ring.
Oh yeah.
Yan. Kaya people were like so excited about ito yung
Genshin Impact.
Diba? Who would have thought na they would bring
Genshin
it back
Impact,
to the slot?
not for Switch.
Uy, malay mo naman. Kasi
And then tomorrow they're gonna put up like Genshin Impact. Nope. Then it's the next update, not for Switch again. Like fuck, dude. Like.
But I don't know why they would do that. Pero sorry, my throat is coming dry.
But it's on Epic for some fucking reason.
Right?
Yung Summer Game Fest kasi, it's just the start. Kumbaga, kick-off lang yan eh. Kasi there are other games na kasunod nun after, which includes the Xbox Game Showcase and then the Ubisoft Forward. Noong 2021, they had the Halo Infinite and Atomic Heart for Xbox and Bethesda. Square Enix, Guardians of the Galaxy game, Final Fantasy The First Soldier, Life is Strange.
Oh, the failed
Battle Royale.
Battle Royale ni Final Fantasy.
I got to try it. It's
me
super
too.
weird. Yeah, I got to
Just
try it.
I agree. To knock our curiosity. Tapos for Ubisoft naman, Ubisoft Forward naman had Rainbow Six Extraction, another,
Yeah, I got to try that too.
Rocksmith.
It's what we would have gotten if the Siege PvE became, live.
Yeah, live, right? But there was an event in Siege, right? Na parang
Except
ganun din. the zombies thing, and people loved it. And then they were like, "Oh, let's make a standalone version of this."
Oo,
Yeah.
kasi
And
the
make
zombies,
people
no?
buy it. Like, oh,
kasi
come on.
ano to eh,
Ah,
kasi sa ganung pandemic to and people were like, oh sige, baka mag-click to, di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya siguro probably gumawa sila ng ganun dun sa Siege as a prelude to this particular game. Another one is Rocksmith Plus, which is Rocksmith for PC. Riders
which
Republic.
is actually free to play right now on Ubisoft Connect.
I would need a guitar for that.
Yeah.
Kasi ano yun, learn guitar by connecting your own guitar, yung electric guitar or acoustic guitar sa PC.
Sa PC mo, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So as in yung
That's
ultimong
interesting.
chords,
Yung
ultimong
chords
chords at
talaga.
saka yung paggalaw nung daliri.
Yes.
Think of it as Guitar Hero more made complex.
Yeah, Guitar Hero but with a
With
real
actual guitar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Yeah.
So, sige, yun, tapos, obviously, they had the Watch Dogs Legions Bloodline, Riders Republic, Brawlhalla, and the Ghost Recon 20th anniversary ng mga time na yun. Tapos, siyempre, as bumabalik na tayo sa new normal, nung 2022, ito, medyo gumaganda na ngayon ang eksena ng 2022. Kasi, oops, sorry. Do it again.
Was it
Summer Game
Valorant
Fest.
also announced that 2021? Forgot.
No, Valorant was pre-pandemic. There were
Oo.
Andiyan na yung Valorant pre-pandemic eh.
Valorant nandiyan na
2019.
pre-pandemic. Pero they announced Valorant nung, I'm not sure if it's 2021 or 2022 when they introduce another character.
Okay.
Pero they included that in the Summer Game Fest. Ito. Nung 2022 naman, 3 days na lang. Tapos,
much more
ito yung,
compact.
nagko-compact na, di ba? Pero, dumadami na ngayon yung developers na sumasali doon. Capcom, Devolver Digital, Epic Games, Netflix Games, Nintendo, Sony,
Which people keep
and
forgetting exist.
Ayan. Nintendo, Sony, are you referring to Netflix games?
Yeah.
Oh,
No one
well,
remembers Netflix games.
I do.
Aside from you.
I played Grand Theft Auto San Andreas using Netflix games.
I think I played the Minecraft story mode. Yung Minecraft na yung
the Telltale one?
The Telltale Minecraft. Yeah, I played that on the Netflix one, and then I played it on the TV. It was like, okay, this is getting pretty boring. All right, let me watch Netflix movies.
Oh, ganon. Ganon
like,
yung feeling.
Yeah.
Oh God, Fall Guys.
Yeah.
Nice.
Fall Guys was also announced in 2022. The biggest Riot game Riot-ish game na nakita ko in a PC. People were like, siguro hinahanap nila yung ng Takeshi's Castle kaya siguro sila nagagaganyan.
Oh yeah, that's one of the reasons. People just want, like goofy fun time race with people.
Like running around, running into obstacles.
And I cannot blame them kasi it's a fun game. Sana nga laro tayo nung ganun eh.
There's Stumble Guys though. They have more
may-
game modes aside from races.
May iba akong anong game dyan. Pero
There are Web3 versions of this, but with unicorns.
Oy. Sige. You send that over nga. Send that over to us nga. I wanna see that. Pero ito, so nabanggit ko yung mga games na yon. Ubisoft naman did not join this time around. They had the Ubisoft Forward months after.
I think they announced Skull and Bones at that time.
Ayun. Nung the world premiere announcements of 2022 includes Street Fighter 6 character reveal announcements, Callisto Protocol, Honkai Star Rail, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Shredder's Revenge, Capcom Arcade Stadium 2, Mario Strikers Battle League, Gotham Knights, and The Last of Us Part 1.
For the PC.
For the
That came
yeah,
out
for the
super
PC.
is super buggy.
The problem with the 2022 lineup was it wasn't as hyped as the years before, the year after it. I think yung Street Fighter, a few games lang yung parang nagdala sa kanila na nagdala sa year na yun. But I think 2022 was the year of remakes. It was like remakes after remakes or remasters after remasters. So medyo weak yung lineup ng games to that year.
Yes. So ano yun? Sobrang ano na ng mga games noon. The way I see it, they were like trying to compact everything na in one go. Kasi nasaan na ba yun?
Well, this is Humankind.
Yeah. Sorry na.
Oh, Modern Warfare 2.
So I was moving my minumove ko kasi din yung videos eh. But just to let everyone know na hindi lang games pala ang binanggit noong 2022. Summer Game Fest also includes announcements for Saints Row Reboot, announcement for Zenless Zone Zero,
which will be released next month, I think. It's next month. Yeah. Another MiHoYo game.
And yes, another MiHoYo game na binabangan ko rin actually. Black Adam trailer starring, of course, The Rock. Johnson. And then of course itong kakaibang collaboration ni Samsung and Xbox. they called it the Samsung Gaming Hub. So imagine if you own a Samsung TV, all you have to do is to have a controller and then play the game.
Oh God, layers of fear.
Diba?
Remember, this is the team that's going to be doing Silent Hill 2.
As ang dami. So, umabot tong game na to ng umabot tong kick-off event na to ng for like what? Give or take one something mga 1 to 2 hours ata to.
Yeah, give or take.
But here's the thing. Last year, medyo jam-pack naman ngayon ang Summer Game Fest noong 2023. Kasi, let me just pull up my list here.
There was so
Because everyone
welcome to the stage.
Everyone didn't have their own thing. It was like Ubisoft was in this year. 'Di ba parang sumali na rin sila. So nadagdagan yung lineup ng game announcements.
Right. Kasi nung what?
Yeah, like a bunch of developers is just inside the event. Like, well, not inside the event, more like,
participating and throwing in their
Yeah.
Kasi this time around, dati, konti lang yung nabanggit natin na developers. This one includes Activision, CD Projekt Red, Square Enix, Sega, Ubisoft, Capcom, and Hoyoverse. Would you believe? Nintendo has...
I think Genshin fans were waiting for an announcement that time. I think they were doing it for extra gems. Well, I think that was the year they were parang Game Awards.
They're asking for give us Primo gems and shit. And I think they announced the Water World. Like, I forgot the Water World. Ano nga yung Water World sa Genshin Impact? Fontaine. I think they announced Fontaine this year. That's why like people are so hyped.
O yun. Kasi pero this time around, sabi nga ni Just, diba, hindi lahat nakakasali. This time around, Nintendo did not participate, but they had a separate Nintendo Direct nung June 21st.
Yes.
Which is days after. Siguro, mamaya I'm gonna ask that question. But the games include Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown, Mortal Kombat 1, Sonic Superstars, Honkai Star Rail for PS5, Baldur's Gate, Spider-Man 2, Palworld, Final Fantasy VII Rebirth, Star Wars Outlaws, Payday 3, Path of the Goddess, Forza, Overwatch 2, Persona 3 Reload, Persona 5 Tactica, Like a Dragon, Alan Wakefield, And of course, yung game pala na ire-recommend kung laruin nating lahat sa G3, Party Animals.
Party Animals. Alright, let's find a way to like play Party Animals. You know, I think we're due to a overdue na yung natin game night. So we should have a game night. Let's just decide on what game to
best
play.
we got
and then
was
let's go.
multiverses and Cap wasn't
Yeah.
there.
Yeah, and Cap wasn't there. So
Hindi, ang
it was me,
nakakano dun.
Trickster, Notch, and Stanley. Nagpaalala
Pumasok
ko
ako
lang
dun.
pumasok ka nga, di ba? Nagpaalala ko lang na nung kasama ni Notch at saka ni Stanley si Trickster, natalo sila. Pero nung kasama ko si Trickster, di kami natalo. So, I don't know, the hierarchy now of like, who's the better gamer? It's Trickster, me, Notch and Stanley, and then I don't know who else, you know? At least I'm the second best gamer here.
Sige. Pag narinig to ni Notch, sinasabi ko sa'yo, General.
Nanonood si Notch ngayon, Notch. Tandaan mo yan, ha?
Tapos nung binanggit yung Summer Game Fest as a launch event, nagkaroon na ng Xbox Game Showcase, Day of the Devs, Tribeca Game Spotlight, and so much more.
Oh yeah, there was so much more. Like after the Summer Game Fest, then came the their own stuff, like all the indie stuff. I think even even PC Game Show, I think had
PC
their
Game
own.
Show.
Yes. So dahil nabanggit ko na to mga games na to, at pansinin nyo, jump pack yung iba dito sikat na announcements, diba? And these are from just the Summer Game Fest. So, ang tanong ko sa inyo dalawa is, over the past 3 years, how would you rate the Summer Game Fest experience?
It's been a mixed bag actually. Since there have been bad years, and some of them were bangers, like the one with Elden Ring and Lost Judgment. It's basically a roller coaster kind of thing.
Yeah.
Like there were years na maganda, then the next year, wow, ganda na lineup. Then the next after that is fine, I'll take it. Then sunod But given the trajectory, I wonder what we'll get in a few hours.
Oo. By the way, to those who are watching our stream tonight, we will be co-streaming this event at 5 a.m. Philippine time.
Tomorrow.
Is it 5? Let me check.
Yeah, it's 5 a.m.
5 in the morning. It's 2 p.m.
wake up at 5.
Pacific time. Oh, don't worry. I'm gonna be awake at that time. Sige. So, mixed bag sa inyo, no?
Yung sa akin naman, yeah, I agree with Trickster. You can't have 2 banger years in a row. Yun yung landscape ng gaming eh. Like, you can have 2 straight bad years for gaming, but you can't have like 2 banger years in a row. Like, we have like banger years, sobrang ganda ng lineup. We got years where we had like a Legend of Zelda, we got a God of War, we got Horizon, diba? And then the next year, and then next year ulit, like, ang lakas na naman, we got Last of Us 2, yung mga ganun. Like, we got a new Assassin's Creed.
Yeah, does anyone remember that this game exists? Like the one we're looking at right now.
No, I didn't know that it existed until I was reviewing the videos.
What game is this?
I even forgot the name of the title, but I know. I don't know. This was the time nung I was somewhere in Makati. I was getting Super Mario RPG.
Banishers?
Yeah.
Banishers? Yeah. Pero ito, may question ako sa inyo. Question ko lang. What do you think a video game that was already forgotten, like a AAA game na kinalimutan na ng lahat? It was released, like, it doesn't matter if nilaro mo siya or hindi, but it's a trip. Can you think of a AAA game na kinalimutan na ng lahat?
I don't know if Atari games come out. I don't know if Atari games count. Because remember the other month we have a sequel to Yars Revenge, and yesterday they announced a sequel to a fucking Commodore 64 game
Are you kidding me?
Beyond the Ice Palace.
Alam mo na, habang pinag-usapan natin yung mga games. Ako, sagot ko muna dyan is yung Prince of Persia kagad na game. When it was
Prince of
announced,
Persia.
the following day, it was forgotten.
Was forgot.
Prince,
Wait, is this the new
The
one?
new
The
one.
Sands of Time remake?
no.
The Lost Crown. Yeah,
The Lost Crown.
it's
The Lost Crown? We
basically
played the
just
Lost Crown, but yeah.
it's there. It exists, I guess.
But people forgot, right? But you know what game I think people forgot? This game right here.
Oh,
That's low hanging fruit right there. though.
I have the copy, but I didn't even play it.
Oh my god.
They
Alam mo,
ordered
may
1886.
may ganyan din akong game na hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa natatanggal dun sa PlayStation na PlayStation yan na yung game mismo,
Lalagyan?
kasi nakuha ko siya na sale sa
Or inside the
database.
console.
No. As
Oh,
in yung
okay.
plastic niya, hindi ko pa natatanggal
As
yung
in?
seal, as in hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan kasi it became free sa it became free for the PC, Watch Dogs 2.
Ah, yeah, Watch Dogs 2.
Yeah, Watch
Yeah.
Dogs.
Dang.
Oh.
But yeah, like, pinahiram sa akin yun ng pinsan ko kasi sabi niya, alam mo, di ko yan alam eh. Di ko pa nilaro. Okay, laruin mo. Hindi ko din nalaro. So I don't know who's gonna play it. But I've seen people stream it. I think I've seen Ashley G stream it. Was like, okay, this looks fun. But I was like, oh god, I totally forgot I have the game. I have the game and I forgot. So I don't even know kung ano pa yung ibang tao, di ba? So like we got games like that. Like in line lang sa na we got games announced and then sometimes people forget. Like, yung game pero sobrang ikli.
Ano sobrang
Okay.
ikli?
Yung The Order.
Yung
1886.
The Order.
Oh yeah, it's basically yung ending is a bit disappointing. I think it ended on a somewhat of a cliffhanger ending. So yeah. So
Medyo
Hindi nga
nakaka-isip
alam
kung
ni Ochino yung year, di ba? The Order something nga yung kanya eh. Oh. So, he also forgot.
baka mamaya susunod The Order 1887. So I don't know. We don't know pero may sinasabi dito, yan, 1898. O pwedeng sabihin ganun.
1882. You can put any other year and people would still believe it, you know?
Yeah. Ito, sabi nga may sinasabi pala si Gino dito, kailangan i-highlight natin dito.
Nagpa-practice
Nagpa-practice
na daw. Uy, nagpa-practice na yung champion natin, you know?
si Batman
Feeling ko,
pa rin.
Batman main yan eh. Batman main.
Hoy!
I don't know, anong main? Si Trickster ata, Tom and Jerry main si Trickster. Tama ba? Are you maining Tom and Jerry now?
I've been playing some other characters din naman.
But I'm
Maybe.
maining Shaggy. You know, the Super Saiyan Shaggy. Black Adam yun. Nakita ko nga, nagsistream si Stanley, Black Adam yung main niya. Tom and Jerry yan. Galit siya sa Tom and Jerry.
For Chino to say that, you may have gotten him tilted. I don't know.
I can use Jerry as a projectile, so.
Ayan, no. At
Oh
saka,
yeah, that's
sarap
one,
nun.
I guess. Like Final Fantasy 16. No, people barely talked about it for some reason. Like yeah, like the one guy I know on Discord is super mad about Final Fantasy 16 because it's more action oriented. So instead of the traditional turn-based.
Traditional, yeah. But
Could be anything, though.
right? It's like 15 pa rin naman.
Well, it's more like Devil May Cry since they got Itsuno from Devil May Cry there.
Yeah, like the combo thing.
Siguro, well, depende sa crowd. Kasi nga, sabi dito ni Chino, it's always talked about, at least from his circle. Sobrang ganda daw. So, it could be,
It depends on location, but I don't see anyone talk about it sa
Yan.
It's an inner circle thing, but other than that place, I don't hear anyone talk about it.
Okay. We'll never know. Ito pala, sabi ni Will, Happy Friday G3. Okay, so medyo magiging highlight na ang 2024 Summer Game Fest. Medyo pantanggal umay muna tayo dito mga kapatid. So,
Talaga?
let's go have General Tuna take this one over as we talk about our second news for the week.
Yun.
But they
Yun na nga,
possibly
no?
announce it's the Summer
Na-
Game Fest.
It's the Summer Game Fest, but again, matutuwa si Notch sa news na to kasi nga Shin Megami Tensei 5 Vengeance latest trailer is here. Ayan, so Sega has released the third trailer. I think there's the third and final trailer for Shin Megami Tensei 5 Vengeance. Slated for release on June 14, 2024. Notch, naka-embargo ka. Wag mo i-stream yan, ha. June 14 mo pwede i-stream yan, okay? Baka di na tayo, baka madali tayo kay Sega eh. Masyado ka baka ma-excite ka eh. Ayan. Pero yun na nga, for Nintendo Switch, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, Steam, and Windows. So it's on all platforms, ladies and gentlemen. Now take a glimpse of the new dungeon and demon allies appearing in the Canon of Vengeance and learn about the apotheosis. I don't know. I don't play the game. I don't know how to pronounce, and I'm sorry if I butchered it. Okay? So new trailer dives into the heart of the Canon of Vengeance, highlighting new threats, new allies, and new skills. So be sure to check it out. Ayan. And kung gusto nyo mapanood to ulit without my commentary, panoorin nyo na lang sa YouTube channel ni Sega. Ayan.
Sige, fire away.
Yun. So yun na. Panoorin na lang natin.
We destroyed this and we could end their plans.
I thought that was Raido Kuzunoha, but I guess not.
Ilang kaya endings nito? Curious tuloy ako.
I think at least dalawa kasi dalawa yung paths daw eh. One path is like the canon and then one path yung hindi.
Kasi yung Shin Megami Tensei has a secret ending. So, ano kaya ang meron dito? We'll just have to figure it out soon.
Any news on the? I forgot the other game they have.
Ooh,
I want
what?
that.
Which
Yeah,
one?
like
The other game?
yeah, the one being made by Atlus. I forgot what it was called.
Isn't that
But
Grand Blue Fantasy Relink?
oh no, that's not the. No.
Okay.
They're making another game. I forgot the title, but the one looks interesting to me.
Yeah. All right, hanapin natin yung tricks. Pero ito, second news of the week is just in time for the Summer Game Fest. Again, we got another sale. No, last week we announced a sale. This week we announced another sale up to 75% off. It's the Sega June Publishers Sale. Ayan.
Yeah.
So, it's for a limited time on the PlayStation Store. Ayan, so PlayStation Store lang siya. PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 titles will be available at bargain prices. So, we got 35% discount on the Ultimate Edition of Like a Dragon Infinite Wealth na hindi ko pa rin matapos-tapos dahil sa putang ng Dondoko Island na yan. Follow Ichiban Kasuga, an unstoppable underdog who's no stranger to crawling his way up from rock bottom, and Kazuma Kiryu, a broken man facing down his last days as they team up for an epic adventure across Hawaii and Japan. And so it includes a dozen of titles as well. For example, Sonic Frontiers, you got Soupy Monkey Ball Banana Blitz HD, Persona 3 Reload, and other games from the Persona franchise like Persona 5 Royal, and of course Tactics. And so again, up to 75% off on the PlayStation Store. So grab your copy now. It's the weekend, guys. Again, kung wala kayong magawa, kung gusto nyong laruin yung Infinite Wealth, I swear to God, you'll be stuck in the Doko Island forever.
You'll have
You're not
so much
you're not
time.
gonna finish the game. So yeah.
Yeah.
I bet. And syempre, General, thank you very much. Sige, we go now to the final part of this tong Summer Game Fest na to kasi um tinignan ko kasi yung website. So there are some, siyempre papakita ko ano yung mga dito. So sa Summer Game Fest this coming mamaya, the Summer Game Fest intro will start, then followed by the Day of the Devs, Future of Play, Wholesome Direct, Women-Led Games, Latin American Game Showcase, Future Game Show, PC Gaming Show, Xbox Game Showcase, and Ubisoft Forward. Pero the one thing that got my attention was the partners that were involved in it. Share ko nga.
Oh yeah? Who are the partners? Let's see. Wow. Okay. Capcom's there, of course. And there's Sloth. Huh.
Level Infinite, Universe,
Okay.
Let me see. You got
NetEase
2K.
Games.
Yeah, you got 2K for sure, and another NBA for this year. That's another NBA, another Madden, another
Amazon
WWE.
Games. What could Amazon actually announce?
Yeah, I mean,
Oh no, they're gonna
they're
announce
going-
that they're gonna
they
announce
may
that
have-
New
they may
World
have
is
something.
dead. They're gonna announce that New World is dead. Like guys, New World is dead. Yun lang yung announcement namin.
Oh,
Screw
yun.
that.
Pero if you notice,
Supercell?
merong dito exactly. Supercell is there, Razer is there.
Okay. I think the Razer would be more on like the new Razer Blade probably. Probably new Razer Blades or like the new Razer Toaster. I don't know, Mingling Tan surprises.
And also there is the TV Studio Group. Hindi yung TV na nasa Dubai ha. Ito TIMI naman to. TV Studio Group, the people responsible for Honor of Kings, Arena of Valor, Call of Duty Mobile,
yeah.
Pokemon Unite.
Probably Honor of Kings na the Asian release, I guess, yung announce nila. Cause yeah, Asian release. Probably like a new Nike collab. I don't know. Like
Because that would be interesting because I saw VTuber Kobo play Honor of Kings the other day.
diba? So I think yeah, because an Asian release is coming soon. So I think yun. Hoyoverse, I think that Zenless Zone Zero. No news pa din sa Genshin Impact Switch. Probably a new bagong like ano bang next sunod ng Penacony sa Star Rail, but I don't know, but probably a new character. Probably Firefly. They're gonna announce Firefly. Nakita ko dun sa unang video, yung pinakita mo Mike before the OBB. I think that was Robin. I think that the bird was still Robin. So probably Firefly. Yeah, the bird. So okay.
Yun na nga. Also, Inner Sloth is there. The people responsible for Among Us.
Amogus.
Or
Amogus, Henry Stickmin. Yeah.
Notice na there's also Magic the Gathering here.
Why? What could they possibly announce? A new edition?
The fact that they're partnering up with Summer Game Fest, there must be something up their sleeves.
Netflix games. Why?
Netflix games. I don't know kung sana merong silang i-release na Netflix games na exclusive lang kay Netflix.
I don't think people would be
Stranger
too
Things,
happy
the
about that.
series, the game. I don't know.
That already happened. That already happened
I didn't
on
think so.
mobile.
Stranger
It was on
Things, the
mobile.
series,
They
the
had
game.
3 games based on Stranger Things.
So yan. Steam is partnering up. SNK is partnering up.
Oh, that's probably. I'm surprised. I would be surprised if they're going to announce a new character for the new Fatal Fury game, since the last time it was Marco Rodriguez. I don't know who else they would announce. Maybe Kevin Ryan. Maybe an old school Fatal Fury character. Who knows?
You know what? Ubisoft is going to piss off a lot of people again if they show Assassin's Creed Shadows tomorrow. Again. You know,
Well, no,
like,
not
I don't know,
not
or a
tomorrow,
follow up, right? A
but
follow
you
up,
know, in a few
like something.
days.
Yeah, in a
Probably
few
an
days.
announcement.
Yeah, an announcement, diba na parang, oh, guys, look at this, like another historically accurate character we're going to put into the game, or something like that.
Ooh.
Probably a straight white Oda Nobunaga. I don't know. I don't
Ooh.
know if this will play
Oh.
or
Okay.
Oda Nobunaga is a descendant of the Isu. I don't know, whatever, right? So, sila na
My
bahala.
God.
Kayo na bahala.
Uh,
Basta like you've been frigging
I mean, you're a direct
doing
descendant.
stuff.
You're part of the Oda clan, so
We
Whatever
don't know
it
yet.
is.
Etong isa, ito, may mga nagko-comment dito, Marvel Brothers, was there a Multiversus DLC or DC game or something?
Oh,
LOL fighting
or
game because nandyan si Riot Games.
Yeah, the League of Legends fighting game for sure.
wait, right? It's just here. Oh shit. Okay. I wonder who would they announce. Jinx.
What? JDM mentioned Splinter Cell remake. Meron sila sa
Oh,
Ubisoft.
please.
Oh, that would be
Please.
nice. That would be
Because like
cool.
the last time I played Splinter Cell S-ish is ano pa sa Breakpoint pa with the Sam Fisher missions.
Buti
So
nga,
Sam
ikaw,
Fisher is in
Breakpoint
Breakpoint. Like, bakit ikaw ba? The OG? The OG ba yung ano mo?
Sa ano? Ano ba yun?
Oh, don't tell me the
Double
PlayStation.
Agent.
Oh, okay. I
PS2
thought
pa.
like I thought like you played the Smash version of the PlayStation. Ano ngayon yung PlayStation ano din? Di ba may
Was
ganun
he
din si
even there?
PlayStation?
Yung PlayStation All-Stars? No, I don't think
I
Sam was there. PlayStation All-Star.
Or hindi siya doon. Hindi siya yun.
No,
I don't know.
he wasn't in All-Stars.
Alright, he wasn't there. Alright. Okay.
Okay.
Killzone, maybe.
Another one that people should be putting their eyes on is Annapurna Interactive, the people responsible for Stray.
For Stray. Oh, Stray Dog now. A Stray Dog version.
DLC, no?
Dude,
DLC announcement.
yeah, dude. Lala is gonna play that as well. Like, Lala finished Stray. Sobrang na-enjoy niya yung Stray. So, like, probably a Stray Dog version, like, would be nice. Yeah, a dog
Stray
version of
Dog.
Stray.
For
And then
Supercell
make it a
kasi-
chihuahua. You know, like, the unbridled rage. You have
Pwede
that
naman
as
siguro
something.
yung medyo athletic naman na aso, pambihira.
Like, chihuahuas
ka,
are athletic. Chihuahuas are like
Pero,
friggin',
if
you know?
compared mo sa Stray, paano tatalon yun from one point to another? Ika nga.
Are you gonna, like,
Oh.
maglalagay ka doon ng maglalagay ka ng golden retriever doon or like a German shepherd. That's not stealthy. Stray is more like stealth and agility, right? So,
Yeah, but dogs are very, rowdy.
rowdy. A stealthy dog. Or yeah, put
Siguro,
a Shih Tzu in there. Or something. I don't know.
Probably a light version ng, kumbaga, yung other side ng coin ng Stray naman ngayon, na dog naman siguro ang team. Medyo light naman siya, medyo cute naman. Pero still
Yeah,
futuristic.
Namco. Yeah, the Dragon
Yeah.
Ball. I think it's a Dragon Ball. Yung
It-
sa
it
unang
doesn't
pinakita
have-
ni Mike sa intro.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be a Stray-like game. It could be anything else. Like they did Outer Wilds after all. You know, that was a fun game.
Ayan. Supercell kasi just recently launched Squad Busters, which is a new game. Notice lang sa akin sa ano. So I'm not sure why are they
I don't know what
at the Summer Game Fest.
What are you going to announce? Controller support, Epic, so that I can finally play DNF Duel with my goddamn PS5 controller that I can't play with in your goddamn store.
Sige.
You know what would be a banger? Because Steam is here, right? And it's gonna be like, what you call this?
Oh wait,
I forgot the guy. God, Gabe Newell enters, and then he just says like Half-Life 3, and then drops the mic and then leaves.
Oh no! Since Steam is here, you've never heard of Deadlock, right? Or have you heard it in passing? Steam has a really bad kept secret over the past few weeks. It's basically their own take on a MOBA shooter naman. Pero instead, parang it's like Smite but FPS.
Oh.
Uh, it's called Deadlock. I don't know if they'll announce it here or they're just there as a partner. But there has been screenshots going around that Valve is working on a new game, and it's a shooter, and it's multiplayer.
NetEase Marvel Rivals.
I kind of wish I got into the Marvel Rivals beta. Like, I wanted to try it at least.
Yeah, I want to try it out because that Doctor Strange is, they told me, is pretty broken.
Like, Hulk is super funny. So instead of starting out as Hulk, right? You start out as Puny Banner.
Yeah.
And then you have a rage meter, and you slowly grow into the Hulk.
Eto, Devolver Digital.
Devolver is always a show-in when it comes to these kinds of events. They always show some kind of wacky presentation. I don't know if they're going to do another Devolver Digital showcase where they just make fun of everyone. But they always have something up their sleeve whenever they're involved in events like this.
Yes. And the last time...
Crazy.
And by crazy, meaning another human fall flat is something, I guess. I don't know.
At Niantic is here. Probably, Niantic, Pokemon Sleep Olympics. I think it's happening.
Pokemon Sleep.
It's happening. Pokemon Sleep Olympics is happening.
What the is a Pokemon Sleep Olympics? Pahabaan ng tulog?
Yeah. Pokemon Sleep, right? The Pokemon Sleep game, right?
What if you get into a coma?
Well, that's, you win. Diba? You win. Basically, you win. Pokemon Sleep Olympics.
Champion si Trickster nun sa atin lahat sa G3. Yan. Tapos probably Jazz and Notch would be in that order, I guess.
No, I can't stay asleep for a long time. I need to play games. So I might lose. But again, Pokemon Sleep Olympics is happening. Probably they're gonna announce it there.
Is that fucking real? One thing I saw. One thing I saw there that interested me was Pocket Pair. Pocket Pair, if you remember, are the people behind Palworld. So
Palworld.
Oh yeah, it was also announced at the Summer Game Fest.
Yeah, it's happening. Pokemon Sleep World Championships. I think they're gonna announce it there.
Are you fucking? It's real. Wait, no. It's an April Fool's joke.
It's an April Fool's joke. Fuck, man. It should happen. Come on.
It got you good.
It got me good, but I was super hyped.
It's on the official YouTube channel too of Pokemon. Oh my god.
God damn it. I fell for that.
So kaya ko binanggit tong mga to kasi in a bit what I will show everyone is a specific playlist.
Okay.
A specific playlist ng the Game Awards. So over at the Game Awards website, there is a playlist that says New Trailers 2024.
Sa
playlist na, yes. Yun yung naging tawanan ngayon dito. So I'm gonna go share one of them right here. Papakita natin sa lahat to.
Only shows
okay,
maybe.
Remove ko muna to. I'm supposed to share the entire screen with sound on.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Ow.
Yeah, Niantic, Monster Hunter now. Oh, okay. PlayStation Studios.
Oh, it's ranting. It's just you have to pay me to play these games. You can't sell me on Kojima's name alone anymore, Kojima.
Yeah, I know.
His mask are just two hands covering his mouth, like.
Yeah, like what the fuck?
What the hell is that?
Yung sa My
Let
Hero
the
Academia.
cracks go through.
Diba? What?
Well, that's an innovative way to make a mask. That I will tell much.
Just like last year's, right?
I think the trailer was different last year.
Yeah, I remember. And then after that, there was some kind of weird guitar guy.
Oh no, you're infected now.
You're becoming old.
Oh.
Hey, look, it's Senua.
And the baby, of course.
Welcome to Drawbridge, Sam, and to the GHV Magellan, our mobile base of operations.
Yeah, this is the last. This is the new trailer. They did like a few months.
This is the ship's armory. Here you can check your weapons and put them through their paces.
Why is it blue?
Their avatar.
These rooms over here belong to our members of the crew. They're pretty much the same as yours. And the shower's down at the end.
This is one hell of a ship you got here. Courtesy of the UCA, I'm guessing.
No. As I told you, Drawbridge is a civilian outfit. But we do have a generous patron with access to plenty of capital and tech.
Sounds like a UCA big shot.
Don't ask me. We've never
It's
met.
a hand. Okay.
I value their privacy.
I thought there were just two gloves.
It's better than to believe that bullshit.
It's the same deal as America.
Now
The
it's
people
normal
here are all
colors.
spread out, cut off from one another. We want you to help us bring the world together.
The hand is moving.
Sam, would you mind if I joined you?
Humor him. His
Look,
knowledge
it's
is going
Alfred Molina as a
to come
puppet.
handy down the road.
Yes.
Really, Sam? Your buttocks? What about shotgun?
I prefer the driver's seat.
No, you're right next to his peepee.
We'll first need to access the Mexico side plate gate terminal. After we've confirmed network coverage, we can take the DHV Magellan and regroup at your position.
The problem is, not everybody wants to be part of the UCA.
That's not the plan, Sam. The UCA isn't looking to expand its borders. Just like with Mexico, they want to bring new regions into the network. Anyway, the DHV Magellan's here to back you up. As always, you'll be the one leading the way to expand the network.
What's your role in all this? You're the commander, huh?
That's right. These days I'm fragile in name only. You brought America together, helped it be reborn as the UCA. But I'm afraid Death Stranding is far from over.
Oh.
Humanity is still in danger, still on the brink of extinction. Don't act like you don't see it. A lot of things changed after you went off on your own, especially within the UCA.
Oh look, it's the hands from Ryan Lucaria.
Oversees the distribution network.
I like that
They
guy.
withdrew once things were up and running. So your friends and co-workers all went their separate ways. Within network coverage, there's no need to rely on human porters anymore. So after I closed up shop, I went and started a new group. One that handles work in regions outside the UCA. We decided to call ourselves Drawbridge.
With the support of the Chiral Network and APAS, humanity will be free from the need to move around. Bots are capable of handling deliveries.
He's alive.
He called himself a ghost, but
We found a way back from the beach just so he could kill us.
he said he came back to get revenge on you and me.
Oh yeah, that's the guitar guy.
Yeah.
Hey, brother. Did you miss me? Yeah, I figured you'd pay this place a visit, seeing as I've been distributing the fruits of this fine factory all over the continent. Guns and violence, the whole damn world could be yours. Same as it ever was. No. Looks like you decided to trade in that rope for a stick this go-round. Well, I suppose even a porter has to pull the trigger from time to time. Oh, what about you? Hey, buddy. Are you just another soulless little husk, huh?
Let go of me! Pathetic guitarist. Where's the rest of your band?
Why does he move in 30 frames per second?
Well, ain't that something?
Was it you, Higgs? Huh? Was it you that killed Lou?
You still don't know, do you?
What?
Oh, they got Doji Shinkawa. Oh!
Something he said.
Man's trying to be Majima when he's not.
All right, Sam. Let's see what we can find on Lou.
If you want answers, you're gonna have to find them yourself. But the ones you do find, well, that pain you nurse will only get worse. Sam the man in the dark about everything.
It's out of the thing. It's an actual baby now.
Don't forget, coming on this expedition was meant to help you find the strength to carry on. And you have. We all know you've got. Now it's time to finish the journey, Sam.
Stepping on the beach.
That's the beach episode.
Oh, I like that. I like that feature. Did you see that?
We never meant to string you along.
That chrysalis, we found her inside.
Still don't understand what's happening.
We're filled with a fluid that contains amino acids.
Neither.
One's identical in structure to the kind found in tar.
I'm sorry. There are amino acids in tar? As in proteins?
Of course.
We can eat the mummies?
Viral creatures could emerge from it. Some have even theorized that the tar is a sort of primordial soup.
I was there. I saw her home. It was a hellhole.
You see, after you left Bridges, I decided to do a little digging. Now, according to them, BB-28 was flagged for disposal and subsequently incinerated 4 years ago, long before you and Lou first met.
Typical Kojima, no?
And I didn't understand what the fuck was happening there.
I do not know what's happening.
Is there anything else in that playlist aside from Kojima?
Well, there is one that might I don't know whose attention, but hold on. Inaayos ko lang eh. Para naman may suspense naman dun sa mga nanonood. Okay.
I'm just looking at the partners right now.
Hold on.
They're combing the streets. Searching house to house.
Oh, it's, they
arrest you too. They will
Captain
take you
America.
to and you will not return.
I'm more concerned with the 6-foot cat man who's got claws that can cut through vibranium alloy.
Oh, this is the Black Panther.
Yeah.
By my count, that makes 2 super soldiers loose in Paris.
3, counting you.
And that's 2 too many.
I'll be there before the sun rises. Before the Germans, before that American. The Eye of Force has been found.
Kyle Hydra.
Just stick to the rooftops. Be careful. Stand me.
When am I not?
It's better if I tackle this one alone.
You may encounter some obstacles.
That won't be a problem.
Our cat friend is definitely here too. By the look of things, he's not very far ahead.
The American boy is right on your heels.
Who the hell are you?
If you wanted us dead, we'd be dead. So what do you want?
Answers.
That's far enough!
Stay out of my way!
Stand aside!
I do not take orders from anyone! I don't have time for this. Neither do I.
This is a specific storyline.
So imagine playing as Black Panther and you have a health bar.
I mean, it's not that, like it doesn't have healing factor. I think
It doesn't
it's just
have to be
super
a
strong.
health bar, you know, like because again, his suit is made of vibranium anyway. It's probably like a totally different mechanic when it comes to like health and shit.
Yeah, like the suit just protects him from blows, but it's not entirely invulnerable.
Mukhang may prediction, mukhang may lalabas na dito in one of the this is going to, I'm not sure if this is going to piss off Jazz.
What?
What? Why?
Ano, bilis, pakita mo.
Oh,
Dali!
Bilis!
Okay, relax.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh
Okay.
no. Okay.
Okay. I mean, either way, I'm an Assassin's Creed.
Who are you?
I'm still playing this, I guess.
All I have ever known in my life. Our land. Our customs. My family. Burns in the name of unification.
Yeah, that was the Sengoku period.
You are still a frog in a well, who knows nothing of the sea. The ocean's filled with new ships, but they all come from the same river. Greed.
Oh, there's different rivers. You ask me?
Power. Vengeance.
And you? Will you continue down that river? Or choose another path beyond what we see?
And we must look for it together.
I just
Sana
want to know
ganun yung
where
actual
will
game.
this tie in to the actual Assassin's Creed history, like continuity ng
We
Assassin's
must
Creed.
learn to trust. Rebuild.
Well, the Dutch are there.
Well, true,
and
but
follow the blade.
who's like sino assassin yung like mag-i-introduce sa kanila sa sa way of the Assassin
Probably
Brotherhood.
Probably Fuma, Fuma Kotaro or Hattori. Banzo.
Tapos diba Basim went to Basim went to England. Pumunta siya dun sa lugar nila Ivor to like essentially introduce the hidden blade to them.
Don't tell me they're gonna turn Adam Williams an actual samurai.
We are the shadows.
That serve the light.
You know. The guy is like, we are the shadows in fully clad Japanese samurai armor. We are the shadows. Like that's not the shadows, dude.
Which master which master do you serve? He asked the guy with the with the Oda crest on him. What the fuck?
But that was crazy though. Like we came from the shadows and then like with the full armor. Like yeah. But I'm expecting this going to be like an Assassin's Creed Syndicate type of thing, where you can pick each. I mean you can pick either of them to like do the missions. Na parang si lang Edward and then Evie. Feeling ko yun yung magiging dynamic nun.
It won't be an assassin anymore if you pick Yasuke. The man's too big.
Yeah, the man's too big. Like, even Edward Fry is like stealthy enough, right? He still has the hood on, he still has the hidden blade and shit. But he's more of a brawler, right? So like he's more of a brawler when it comes to like like fighting people. But it's gonna be weird. It's gonna be a weird thing if you like see the armor is heavy. The armor is gonna make sounds like clank clank like it was
the giant 6-foot man.
You know the Assassin's Creed stealth thing where you blend in with the crowd. It's like some Japanese guy in armor blending into the crowd, like the guards won't see him. Or you sit on a bench doing this.
You sit on a bench. Look at this giant 6-foot man coupled with the 5-foot people just
menacingly sitting on the bench. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Looking at the crime scene, I'm sure he's definitely not suspicious at all.
Oh, the memes though.
I can't wait for it to be bombarded with a lot.
Like the memes, like an accident happens, right? When that happens, diba? This, like the previous Assassin's Creed, where like, hey, what happened here? Like gaganon yung guards, and then you're just standing there as a black dude. What happened here? And then ikaw yung hahabulin. Oh my god!
With fully kitted armor among the peasantry. That you know what?
And iyan yung mga typical na type ng scenarios na makikita ninyo mamaya alas 5 ng umaga in our coverage for the Summer Game Fest. So before we wrap this up and throw in my final questions, let's play one more na iba naman, different naman from what you guys usually watch.
Yeah?
Well, not you,
right,
Dexter,
what
but
you
because
got?
you watch
Okay.
What you got?
Represents some
Surprise
of the
us, Mike.
criminal organizations in the galaxy. Pikes, Crimson Dawn, Huts.
Star Wars.
For the underworld.
The Empire controls every corner of the galaxy.
I don't know anyone who's excited for this.
To be honest, I haven't watched Star Wars. I haven't touched Star Wars. But Mike, thank you sa Disney Plus. I think I'm gonna start there.
New scoundrel. We meet at last.
What do you want?
Zarek Besh. They're new, rich, and lethal. You crossed their boss Sliro, and now he wants you gone. Rob his fortune, buy your freedom.
This job It's a death wish. I'm in.
Son of a bitch, I'm in.
Reputation. You want to survive? Know the players.
You're new to this world.
What's your problem?
Come back when you're not.
Jabba, right? Look, don't try anything.
Jabba
the Hutt. Surrounding the. Okay, we're skipping that part.
It's gonna cost $70.
Remember, it's just been me and Nix.
90 if you want to play the Jabba DLC.
What, you play as Jabba the Hutt?
No, more
Oh.
missions.
Oh, okay. I thought you're gonna play as Jabba the Hutt because I want to see that.
I don't want to imagine.
And the right shit.
$100 if you want early access.
Damn it, what?
Because you are one of the best hunters in the Outer Rim.
She's more connected than you let on, Celero. Bess is mixed up in something bigger. The Outer Rim is a dangerous place. Everyone is fighting for their piece of the galaxy. But all I want is to live free. So I'm gonna risk it all. Hold on, Nick!
Star Wars Outlaws pre-order available now.
Yeah, for $70.
Don't say it like that, man.
Why? Is it not a bad thing that it costs $70?
Well, alam na natin it's gonna be expensive and all. So, dahil
Because it's Ubisoft.
and more of those kinds of feeling ko kaya nila to, ito feeling ko, pinalabas nila to months ago, days ago, weeks ago, just to give us an idea na what we are going to expect in this upcoming Game Awards. So, final question to
Wait, these are the trailers that they gave us?
No. Nilagay nila dun sa The Game Awards. They're uploading it there on their page for something. And kasi di ba, remember, the Game Awards, nilagay nila, tapos may mga announcements yun, di ba? Tapos, may mga lumabas na trailers in between the Summer Game Fest and the Game Awards. So, itong pinalabas ngayon, itong Star Wars Outlaws is like a month ago.
Yeah, but
Nilagay na nila doon.
Yeah.
So, ang question ngayon dito is, ano ngayon ang ina-expect natin dun sa lalabas na Game Awards if they already launched these announcements?
From what I've heard, at least according to PC Gamer and through Jeff Keighley himself, is most of the announcements will be through existing games like announced games na. So maybe updates, that's maybe updates we're getting, but who knows from other developers, But that's for the main Summer Game Fest.
Yeah.
Maybe like release dates, more gameplay footage, I hope.
And definitely new announcements because there will be several events that's gonna happen starting tomorrow. So we're just in there for the kickoff party. Kumbaga, there's the Day of the Devs right after Summer Game Fest. And then there is there's the Day of the Devs Future Play, Volvy's 15th birthday party from Devolver Direct. Wholesome Direct.
Okay.
There's the Latin American Game Showcase, Summer Game Fest. Ito, para makita na lahat. Summer Game
Well, thank God it's just it's like 3 hours lang.
Yeah.
Like, Devolver Digital yan eh. So, after
Pero-
Summer Game Fest, it's Indies, then Devolver. After that, next day na.
Yun yung ano dun eh. Puro 3 hours siya. 2 hours lang yung kickoff ng Summer Game Fest. The Future Game Show will be for 3 hours. The Xbox Game Showcase will also be for 3 hours. The PC Gaming Show will be in 3 hours and for 3 hours. And Ubisoft Forward will be 3 hours. So, sige, fine. Lagyan natin ng mga commercials in between. Pero, what's in it? Yun nga eh. So, this one is gonna happen 7 to 10 naman. 3 days pa rin. Eh, kung ako yan, paghahandaan ko na yan kasi, tomorrow is gonna be a very, very...
Don't forget. Yeah, don't forget. They have a pre-show. So they're starting at 4:30 a.m.
Oh shoot. Well, we are not watching the pre-shows then.
Hindi rin. Ako kasi, as everyone is aware naman, inati ko kasi yung mom ko for her session. So, malamang gising na ako ng mga 4:30, having coffee prior to preparing for this event. Tapos, sasabayan ko na lang kung sino makakasama ko for later's event. Kaya hindi na tayo magtatagal muna dito for this particular episode of the G3 podcast. Umpisa na natin kay Trickster. Trickster, after the show, feeling ko hindi ka matutulog ngayon eh. Abangan mo lang yun. Hintay mo na lang ako.
Depende, might just take a nap just for it, Still have to take dinner. Still.
That being said, what will you be up to this weekend?
Aside from Summer Game Fest, I don't know. Maybe after the Game Fest stream, I will check out demos of what they showed up. I gotta have to check all available demos, like the ones that interest me. So and maybe stream that like later down the line. I don't know what I'll be streaming, so I'll just check what's available that day.
Oh yeah, ako sige. Go let them know where to look for you and what time we will be streaming. Mag-stream ka ba?
Huh? Yeah, I just still don't know what stream. I'll just check the demos available, the ones that interest me at the very least, and I'll be streaming it around 8 p.m. as usual. As long as the cats don't bother me, I still have to pay attention to them. So yeah, 8 p.m. stream tomorrow. I don't know what to stream, but I'll check it out. Maybe Summer Game Fest demos and the other showcases that showed other games as well with demos.
Sige. Thank you, General. Ikaw, you'll be a busy man this weekend. What will you be up to?
Oh, okay. We started streaming on this new platform called Soulstream. I think I'll be streaming both on Soulstream and Twitch actually, and of course sasama ko na rin si Facebook. But we'll be streaming Fallout 76, and then I think I'll be playing Big Time again, because since it's required to play a Web3 game. And then that's the only Web3 game that I don't know, gusto ko rin laruin. Bakuna din ng aso bukas, so it's going to be like a pretty hectic weekend. And after that, I just want to relax, all 7 dogs.
Tama.
So, yeah.
And 6 of them will go to
good
Trickster.
luck to me, I guess.
Isipin mo kay Trickster na lang mapupunta yan. Where they can find you?
You can find me here at all platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Twitch, at GeneralTuna90.
Yan. Thank you, General, as always. And ako will just take a quick break. Will sleep by 12. Tapos gigising ng 4:30 to have my coffee. And we will go live for this Summer Game Fest. And I just got news na there will be more live events after the Summer Game Fest, particularly the Steam Next Fest.
What? Where? What time?
In Steam. So 7 days, hundreds of demos, and hours of developer live streams. That's gonna happen on June 10th to 17th, starting at 10 a.m. Pacific.
Oh, that's...
And I already had myself got a notification to
God, that's a lot.
my mobile device.
Okay.
And so You can obviously follow me on my socials. All of them all go by one handle, which is at Captain Mike PH. And for G3, it's gonna be one handle na rin. It's at G3 Pod PH.
Yon.
Yan. Oh, with that being said, we will go wrap this up kasi magpapahinga ng mga tao because it's gonna be a very hectic event starting tomorrow ng early morning. So, you know what to do, people. Check us out. And next week will also be another busy week. And because it's gonna be ToyCon. Natahimik kayo.
ToyCon,
Hindi lang
let's go!
I'm gonna tell you now in advance before we wrap this up. Next week's ToyCon is going to be very, very interesting for G3 and ToyCon. And with that, on behalf of General Tuna and Trickster, this is your Captain Mike signing out, and we'll see you next week on another episode of the G3 Podcast.
Hell, you couldn't watch too.
This okay. So after the game test, the demos, I have to deal with next test too. That's a lot. Holy shit!
Give us the next Nintendo. Come on, just give us the next Nintendo Switch or whatever, Nintendo console. Nintendo
they
stay. Let's go Nintendo stay.
Nintendo
You know, like a Nintendo Switch without the portable version. So yeah.
I don't mind if it's still portable, you know, but still, but a stronger version of it, I won't mind.
Yeah. Like, it's going to be as thick as a Steam Deck. A Nintendo Switch. Mike, nakamute ka, putangina mo.
Oh yeah, Cap, did you know that they're also bringing back Clock Tower? Yeah, the first SNES Clock Tower.
Can you hear Mike? I can't hear Mike.
You can hear me.
I can now we can hear you.
Mukhang magiging interesting to eh. We'll talk na muna offline, guys. Catch us next
All right.
week. You'll be in for a surprise.
Yon.